Leeds, Yorkshire's biggest city, Leeds is full of life and bursting with culture. This modern metropolis city boasts a great job market for fresh graduates, making it a great choice for international students. The city experiences mild weather all year round with cloudy, chilly winters and very pleasant summers. The city is pretty big, but it has plenty of public transport options that students can use to travel. Buses. The city has a number of bus services and routes that run through it which students can use to travel. Trains. Slightly more expensive, but often faster than buses. Students can also use the trains to move around the city. Taxis. The city is famous for its black and white taxis or hackney carriages that run all through the city. Top universities. Leeds has a great academic environment, with a robust student population of over 50,000 plus students in 2022. The city has 5 major universities that form the higher education there. The University of Leeds, Leeds Beckett University, Leeds Trinity University, Leeds Arts University, and Leeds Conservatoire. Living. When it comes to living in the city, students can live either on campus or off campus. They will also have different types of accommodation to choose from, like private accommodation. Students can choose to find their own private rentals in the city. Rentals can be found by the student themselves or they can enlist the help of a broker. Purpose-built student accommodation. Different from regular rentals, PBSAs can be found either on or off campus and are specifically designed for student needs. While most rentals come unfurnished, PBSAs will be fully furnished and have a range of amenities for students to choose from. All PBSA properties will also include Wi-Fi, electricity and hot water costs in the rent itself, so you won't have to worry about paying different bills each month. All properties even include laundry services and most even have gyms, parking, building security and are CCTV secured. Room options. There are also different room options for a student to choose from. Studios. A studio will include a multi-purpose living space that can be either single or dual occupancy, a bathroom and a kitchenette. En-suites. An en-suite is equipped with a private bedroom space with an attached private bathroom, and the kitchen and living space will be shared among residents. Non-en-suites. A non-en-suite is equipped with a bedroom that can be either single or dual occupancy and the bathroom, kitchen and living spaces will be shared among residents. Apps. While living in Leeds, you can use apps like Uni Leeds, Too Good To Go, First Bus and Uni Days. Such apps will help you to get the most out of the city's daily happenings, from cheap buffets to community engagement, giving the truest memories of the UK. Events and student hotspots. Leeds Festival. This is annual music festival that takes place over the August bank holiday weekend. The event is a 3-day event at the same time both in Reading and Leeds. Leeds Light Night. Every October some of the city's most recognizable indoor and outdoor spaces are converted into beautiful pieces of art by local and international artists. Leeds Pride. The city celebrates Pride every year with a big parade that starts at Millennium Square and ends within a big party on Lower Brigade. Some of the city's top public hotspots for its residents are the famous Leeds Industrial Museum, the Man Behind the Curtains, Black Market, and Bundabust. Leeds is a great blend of moderate living costs, incredible shopping, brilliant job opportunities and good economy. Thousands of international students have already made this city their second home, and maybe it's time for you to make it one as well. So what's the hold-up? Book via Amber and find your dream stay. Visit us at amberstudent.com. Find the link in the description below.